How y'all doing today? We're here in Kemah, Texas, about to make a key for this GTI. Seems like they were on a roller coaster and lost their key. Already got the lock out. Now we're about to make this key in a few minutes. Okay, we got a lock taken apart. There are all the parts right there. Make sure you don't lose none of them. We're going to enter all the cuts into the machine right there, into the software, and we'll start cutting the key. Okay, we have our key in our jaw. We have our cuts. And we're going to hit enter. As it'll start doing this thing there, start cutting the key. Okay, we have our key made and ready to be programmed. So let's go to the car and program it.